Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to ASTRA 2022 program presented by Akka IAS Academy. In this particular video, I'll be dealing with 7 different questions based upon CSAT and 3 reading comprehensions questions. So let's begin. So the first question is directions for the following 3 items. Read the passage given below and answer the items that follow. Okay. So for 3 questions, upcoming questions, this is the passage here. A, B, C, D, E, F are the members of the family. They are engineer, stenographer, doctor, draughtsman, lawyer and judge, not in order. So A is the engineer is married to lady stenographer here. So I shall solve it here like this here, my friends. Okay, how many persons are there actually? So A, B, C, D, E and F. So these many persons are there, and they are engineer, stenographer, doctor and draughtsman and lawyer and judge here. Okay, so A, the engineer is married to lady stenographer here. Okay, so male will be represented by box, my dear friends, here. Okay, for your reference sake, and female shall be represented like this here. Okay, and married couple, 2 parallel lines will be drawn between them here. Okay, so this is the relationship you need to follow for your reference sake here. Okay, so A, the engineer is married to lady stenographer here. So she is lady means she'll be stenographer here. So A, the engineer, obviously A will be male here, so we don't know the person who is stenographer and female here. Okay, so from here the solution begins here, my dear friends. Okay, so A, the engineer is married to lady stenographer. Okay, so the judge is married to lawyer here. Okay, see here, and also see here friends, you can do like this also. So A we can cancel out here. Okay, so engineer we got and stenographer we got here. Okay, we can cancel out like this here. For our reference sake, it will be easy here. Okay, so next, the judge is married to lawyer. Okay, so 2 persons will be there, in between them marriage happens. Okay, and a judge is married to lawyer here. Okay, so who is lawyer and who is judge, we don't know here yet. Okay, so the judge is married to lawyer. F, the draughtsman. Okay, so here we got judge and lawyer we got here. Okay, so judge and lawyer we got here. So doctor and draughtsman are remaining. So F is the draughtsman and is the son of B and brother of E. So draughtsman also we got here, my dear friends. Okay, so F is draughtsman and is brother of E, so obviously he'll be male here. Okay, so F male and E are brothers here. So E's gender we don't know, my dear friends, here. Okay, so E's gender we don't know, and single tick means actually they are siblings here. Okay, so double tick means there will be marriage happened between them. Single parallel line means actually there are siblings here. Okay, so C, the lawyer, is the daughter-in-law of D here. Okay, so see the second in the second life, so C, the lawyer. Okay, so lawyer we got here. See the lawyer we got here, and lawyer is married to judge here. Okay, so see the lawyer is actually daughter-in-law of D. So above them one generation should be there, so one connection shall we draw here and D shall be written here. Okay, so C will be daughter-in-law of D here. Okay, it is the linkages here. Okay, so E is the unmarried doctor. Okay, doctor also we got here, and he is the doctor here. Okay, so he is the unmarried doctor, and D is the grandmother of F. Okay, D is the grandmother of F means the first generation, second generation and third generation F will be here, my dear friends. Okay, so F is male here and draughtsman. Okay, and E is the sibling and doctor. Okay, so this so almost we got all the references here. Okay, so A, B is not there. See here, A is not there, and C we got here, and D also we got here, and E and F we got here. So B is remaining and judge is remaining, so obviously B will be placed here, my dear friends. Okay, so this will be the figure here, and there are 2 married couples in the family. So two married couples, 1 and 2, and 1 siblings we got here, yes or no? So according to this, the three questions will be the next three questions will be following here. Okay, so try to keep this as reference and make a note of it, and then try to solve the questions here. Okay, so first question is, what is the profession of B here? Okay, the profession of B is judge here. So option A is right answer, my dear friends. Okay, which of the following is or are a couple or couples here? Okay, so we got couple A and D and B and C. So both A and D and B and C. So option C is the right answer here. What is the profession of D here? Okay, profession of D is stenographer, and she is the grandmother of F here. Okay, so option B is the right answer here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Examine the following statements. George attends music classes on Monday here. Okay, see here, I'll be solving it simultaneously. George is there, he attends music class on Monday. Okay, he attends mathematics class on Wednesday. So maths on Wednesday. His literature classes is not on Friday. So literature classes is not on Friday means it's not actually on Monday or Wednesday either here. Okay, so Monday or Wednesday or either Friday means actually the days remaining are Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday and Sunday. So these days are remaining, and in these days only his literature classes will be there. So he attends history classes on the day following the day of his mathematics class. So history class is there. So after mathematics class, the next day will be history class. So Wednesday means actually history will be Thursday, and this Thursday gets cancelled here in literature here. Okay, so history classes on Thursday. On Tuesday he attends sports class. Okay, sports will be there here, and this will be on Tuesday here. So literature will be gone on Tuesday also here. Okay, so if he attends just one subject in a day and his Sunday is free, so Sunday is free means, okay, literature we got here, it is on Saturday here, then he is also free on Monday, Thursday, Saturday and Friday. So see here, Monday has been written here. Okay, the question asks on which day he is free other than the Sunday here. Okay, so Monday is gone, and Tuesday is there, Wednesday is there, Thursday is there, then Friday is not there here. Okay, so Friday is not there, and Saturday is there. Okay, Sunday is also there. So he is free on Friday here. Okay, option D is the right answer here. So moving on to the next question. 4 persons, Alok, Bhupesh, Chandra and Dinesh here. Okay, there are 4 persons, Alok, Bhupesh, Chandra and Dinesh. There are 4 persons, and a rupees total, and have total of rupees 100 amongst themselves here. Okay, so Alok and Bhupesh between them have as much as money as Chandra and Dinesh between them here. Okay, so this is the tricky part here, my dear friends. Okay, Alok and Bhupesh between them have as much as money as Chandra and Dinesh between them. Okay, so but Alok has more money than Bhupesh here. So see here, Alok has more money than Bhupesh here. Okay, so this is the first statement here. And Chandra has only half of money of Dinesh has. Okay, so Chandra will be having how much Dinesh has? Half of that. Okay, so Dinesh will be having some amount of money, so by 2, half of that Chandra will be having here. Okay, so if Dinesh is having 10 rupees, Chandra will be having 5 rupees, or if Dinesh is having 20 rupees, Chandra will be having 10 rupees here. Okay, so that is the reference here. Alok has in fact rupees 5 more than Dinesh has. So Alok will be having 5 more rupees than what Dinesh has. Okay, so Dinesh plus 5 rupees here. Okay, so who has the maximum amount of money? So we need not need to find how many money each possesses, my friends. Okay, each person possesses how much money, rather we need to find who has the highest amount of money. See here, from statement 1, Alok and Bhupesh, so Alok will be having more here. Okay, and also Alok is having Dinesh plus 5 here. So Alok is greater than Bhupesh and Dinesh, yes or no? Bhupesh and Dinesh, okay, and Chandra is having Dinesh by 2 here, okay. So obviously Chandra will be here last somewhere here, okay. Obviously in between, when we consider all the three statements, Alok will be having more money, my dear friends, okay. So option A, Alok will be having more money than all of the rest of the people here, so that is the option A is the right answer here. So moving on to the next question. The letters L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T in their order are substituted by 9 integers 1 to 9 here, okay. So L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T are substituted with 9 integers here, okay. So 1 to 9 they are substituted here. 1 to 9, but not in that order. 4 is assigned to P here, okay. So P means actually 4 here. 4 is assigned to P here. The difference between P and T is 5 here, okay, and the letters are between 1 and 9 here, okay. So the difference between P and T is 5 here, okay. So P means actually 4 here. So 4 minus what number will be giving 5 here? 4 minus 9 you will be getting 5 here. So T will be obviously 9 here. So 9 is here, okay. So the difference between N and T is 3. So N and T, the difference, so N minus T or T minus N, that will be 3 here, okay. So T we got here, okay, T 9 we are getting here, and we need to get 3 here. So 9 minus 6 will be 3 here, okay. So 9 minus 6 will be 3 means actually N will be assigned to 6 here, okay. So N will be assigned to 6 here, N minus T will be 3 here, okay. So what is the integer assigned to N here? So N will be 6 here, my dear friends, okay. So option D is the right answer here. So option D the right answer. So moving on to the next question. Given the statement, buses are the cause of more accident than cars here, okay. So buses are the cause for more accident than cars here, okay, and trucks cause fewer accident than buses here. So again buses are more and trucks are less here, okay. So these two conditions are given. So which of the following conclusions can we draw here? We need to draw a conclusion, logical conclusion, my dear friends, okay. Okay, there are more buses on the roads than trucks here. See, if at all buses are the cause for more accident, it doesn't mean that the number of buses are more on road than trucks here, okay. So option A can be eliminated here. Car drivers are more careful than bus drivers. No, bus are the cause of more accident than cars means actually the statement reads that buses are the cause for of more accident than cars here, okay. The statement is not telling anything about the drivers here, okay. So option B also can be eliminated here. So truck drivers are more skilled either than either car or bus drivers here. So the statement is not talking about the drivers, my dear friends, okay. So option C also can be eliminated. So option D, none of the above conclusion follows. That will be the most probable answer here, okay. So moving on to the next question. A bat's wing may look like a sheet of skin, but underneath a bat has same 5 fingers as an orangutan or a human, okay. So this will be a very crucial statement, my dear friends, okay. But underneath a bat has same 5 fingers as an orangutan or a human, as well as a wrist connected to the same cluster of wrist bones connected to the same long bones of the arm here. What can be more curious than that the hand of a man formed for grasping, than that of a mole for digging, the leg of the horse, the paddle of the porpoise, and the wing of the bat should all be constructed on the same pattern here, okay. They are all constructed on the same pattern here, okay. So the question is, which one of the following is the most logical, scientific and rational inference that can be made from above passage here? So most logical, scientific was also given here, okay. Logical, scientific and rational inference here, okay, that you need to keep in point here, okay. So option A is, different species having similar structure of hands is an example of biodiversity. So see here friends, actually the statement is contradicting itself here. Different species having similar structure of hands, okay, they having similar structure of hands is an example of biodiversity. So biodiversity means actually diversified things here, but the question is the statement is telling similar structure here, okay. So option A can be eliminated here, okay. Limbs being used by different species for different kinds of work is an example of biodiversity. So again this can be eliminated here, okay. Man and the aforementioned animals having similar structure of limbs is an example of coincidence in evolution. So evolution is nothing, no, see here friends, actually in genetic line nothing is coincidence, okay. So coincidence in evolution means actually it's not be happening intentionally, but somewhat it happened here, okay. No, nothing in the evolution cycle is coincidence here. So this with the help of this word coincidence, this also this option also can be eliminated here, okay. So man and the aforementioned animals have shared evolutionary history here, okay. So this is the most logical, scientific and rational inference that can be drawn amongst all the four options here. So option D is the right answer here. So moving on to the next question. Low end IoT, so Internet of Things, low end IoT devices are cheap commodity items. Addressing security would add cost here. This class of items is proliferating with new applications. Many home appliances, thermostats, security and monitoring devices and personal convenience devices are part of IoT. So are fitness trackers, certain medical implants and computer-like devices in automobiles. The IoT is expected to expand exponentially, but new security challenges are daunting here, okay. So this is the passage here. Which one of the which one of the following statements is most logical and rational inference that can be made from the above passage here? So most logical and rational inference here, okay. Option A, development of enabling technologies in India can be a big boost to its manufacturing sector. Development of enabling technologies in India can be a big boost to its manufacturing sector. Nowhere in the passage it is speaking about the development of the technologies being developed will be a big boost to its manufacturing sector. So option A can be eliminated here. India is not yet fully ready to adopt IoT in the view of imminent security challenges here, okay. Now actually the applications has been widespread and has been given in the initial phase of the initial few lines sentences of the passages here. So option B is also wrong answer here, okay. Life becomes more comfortable with the development of cheap low end IoT devices, okay. See here, there are security challenges and the cost might increases, the passage is saying. And actually the dependency also the in the last line of the paragraph, actually see here, the IoT is expected to expand exponentially, but new security challenges are daunting here, okay. So if at all new security challenges are daunting, the life becomes more comfortable, it actually contradicts the statement here friends, okay. So option C is also wrong answer. As we go digital, we must recognize the huge threat to internet security from some IoT devices. Option D is the right answer here, most probable option here, okay. So moving on to the next passage. Access to schooling for those coming of school age is close to universal, but access to quality exhibits socio-economic status. Quotas for the weaker section in private schools is a provision introduced by Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. The quotas have imposed a debate on issues of social integration and equity in education that private actors had escaped by and large. The idea of egalitarian education system with equality of opportunity as its primary goal appears to be outside the space that private school principles inhabit. Therefore, the imposition of the quotas has led to resistance, sometimes justified here. So the question will be, with reference to the above passage, the following assumptions have been made here, okay. Making equality of opportunity a reality is the fundamental goal of the education system. Making equality of opportunity a reality is the fundamental goal of Indian education system. See here, friends, actually in the initial stage, in the initial first or two, one or two sentences of the paragraph, access to schooling for those coming of school age is close to universal, but access to quality exhibits socio-economic status. Okay, so the quality, the importance on quality has been given here, as well as in the later part of the paragraph, the idea of egalitarian education system with equality of opportunity as its primary goal appears to be outside the space that private school principals inhabit. Okay, so according to these two statements, when we compare here, making equality of opportunity, so already they have been given with the Right to Education Act, is the fundamental goal of Indian education system, is wrong answer, my dear friends. Okay, they are stressing on the quality here, so option 1 is wrong here. So 1 is wrong here means option A can be eliminated here. Okay, so 2 and 3 only here. Okay, so in rest of the options, actually 2 is twice here and 3 is also twice here, so we need to examine more carefully here. Okay, the present Indian school system is unable to provide egalitarian education. So what do you mean by egalitarian? Okay, actually egalitarian is a belief. Okay, it's based upon the principle that all people are equal and all people deserve equal rights and opportunities here. So egalitarian character means actually that here. Okay, the principle of equality for all people is upheld here. Okay, so the present Indian school system is unable to provide egalitarian education system here. So here when we read the paragraph, the idea of egalitarian education system with equality of opportunity as its primary goal appears to be outside the space that private school principals inhabit. Therefore, the imposition of quotas has led to resistance, sometimes justified here. Okay, so this is this assumption can be valid here. Okay, the present Indian school is unable, so the quotas has led to resistance, sometimes justified, and actually the idea of egalitarian education system with equality of opportunity as its primary goal appears to be outside the space of the private school principals inhabit. Okay, so private school principals are different and the government principles are different, and sometimes the imposition of quota has led to resistance here, sometimes justified, and it's also sometimes justified here. Okay, so state according to that passage here, option 2, the present Indian school system is unable to provide egalitarian education, this can be a valid assumption here. Okay, so we'll be checking the third statement as well here. Okay, so according to this here, option B, the right answer might be in option B or as well as C here. Okay, abolition of private schools and establishment of government schools is the only way to ensure egalitarian education. No, this is not the possible assumption, my dear friends. Okay, option 3 will be wrong here, hence option B 2 only is the right answer here. Okay, so this is it for today, friends. I shall catch up you in the next video. Hope your preparations are going well. All the best for your exams. God bless you all. I shall catch up you in the next video. If at all you find this video informative, kindly like and comment in the comment section. Do subscribe to our Akka IAS Academy channel. God bless you all once again. Thank you. Bye.